How to disable debug mode on WordPress with FTP. In this tutorial, I will show you every step to disable and turn off the debug mode on WordPress. We will need first to make a FTP connection from our PC or laptop to the server. If you have not connected your computer to the server, please check the description of the video. I have explained every step and what is needed for the connection. In this tutorial, we will use an already created connection, so if you have not done this, put the video on pause and check the description of the video. A connection is required. Click on WinSCP. Now select the connection to the FTP server and click Login. Now click on Public _HTML. This is the folder where you usually have the files from your WordPress. If you have a different path, you can use that path. You will have multiple files. You will see here a file wp line config.php. Right-click the file. Select from the menu Edit. On this editor, find on the bottom of the file the line I have here. Change from true to false. After that, save the file to make changes. You can also disable to be sure the debug logger and error display by adding two more lines like this. Let's add a line to disable the debug logger to the site. If the debug logger is enabled, then it will create a file on the server with all the error logs. Let's also add a line for turn off the display of all errors on the site. Let's save the file for the lines to be saved. These two lines are optional. After that, you can check if the debug logger is added on your site. The debug file will be located on WP content folder. You see here there is a file called debug.log. You can delete this by right-clicking the file and select delete. This is how you disable debug and turn off all errors showing on the WordPress site with FTP access. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.